Welcome to Wall Street Confidential on TheStreet.com TV. Everyone always wants to know about Apple. And Jim, you've said this is an event stock, not an earnings
and you know,
stock.
I've been on this one for 75 points. And I want to emphasize to people, why do I come out here on Wall Street Confidential and talk about Apple? And there's similarly MasterCard Research in Motion. Why do I do it? Because as a hedge fund manager, what I realized at times was it wasn't worth coming up with new names, new ideas. Apple Computer has had one thing and one thing only that is gunning it this time, which is the iPhone. We saw this once before in the miraculous run from 90 to 150. We're seeing it again. This time it's a new iteration iPhone. Does it really make that much import? Yes, because the rest of Apple's doing well. So the Mac's doing well. So there's no transition gap, less likely to be hurt. The expectations are very low with Apple. We saw yesterday Apple issue a statement to Bloomberg saying that Apple iPhones are sold out. Now, some of that could be because they're making the new iteration. But Apple's a wonder stock. And in any given moment, there's going to be a wonder stock. There's a lot of bears who say, well, look, this can't be a healthy market. Apple goes up every day. It can't be a healthy market. RIMM just went up 20 points on a product announcement everybody knew. Can't be a healthy market. MasterCard's up 250 points. Every single bull market since 1982 has had favorites. And those favorites are emphasized over and over again. I remember the 1982 84 bull market was led by Schlumberger, and that seemed to go up every day, and Foster Wheeler and Fluor. So I think that what people have to recognize is open your minds, get long some Apple. You can take profits. I like to recommend deep in the money Apple calls. There's only, people don't understand the strategy, but what I like to do is, it's called stock replacement. Own the call, and then as the stock spikes, you can sell a little common against it. And then when the market takes Apple down, you buy back the common. But Apple is, until that thing ships, Apple's an up stock. And I don't know anybody who's in it still. I don't know anybody who's excited about it, except for the people I bump in on the street who thank me because they got into Apple. So Apple and RIMM and MasterCard remain up stocks.
Favorites that are not going away.
Yeah, I mean, look, I think that when you're stuck with Apple, if you're stuck with a decision to buy it, you look at the price to earnings multiple and it's just ridiculous. Whatever is the fave at the moment is always ridiculous in a price to earnings multiple. Now there are a whole nother group of people who say, Jim, you're being reckless. And what I say is, yes, you're absolutely right. I've been reckless for 75 points.
Okay, there you have it. That's Apple on TheStreet.com TV. Stay tuned for more of Wall Street Confidential.